Hi, I'm Misty with Photography by Misty, where we take the hassle out of headshots. Every professional now needs an updated headshot at least every 3 to 5 years, but it can be kind of a pain to accomplish that. One, you have to do the research and find the right photographer. Two, you need to schedule that appointment. Then you need to take time out of your day and go get it done and come back to the office. That could be an hour to an hour and a half to a 2 hour endeavor. And then you're going to hope and pray that you hired the right photographer and you like the results. Well, at Photography by Misty, we take the hassle out of headshots. We come to you. We come to where you office, where your team is, and we bring in the professional lighting. We bring in the professional backdrops, or use your beautiful office space as a backdrop. We have 51 Google reviews ranking at 4.9. You know, nobody's perfect. And if we were perfect, you'd probably have your questions about us, wouldn't you? And we've been doing it for 19 years. We are a trusted photographer who you can trust to come in and take your team's corporate headshots or your tenants' headshots if you're in an office park. And they can check that item off their to-do list. Because it's a headshot event, we can make it less expensive than if your people were to come to us individually. And we know what we're doing. We straighten necklaces, we fix hair, we are our client's mirror. So if you're looking to bring in hassle-free headshots into your office space, give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Again, we're Misty with Photography by Misty, where we have a team of experts. I almost forgot to mention. We have a handful of photographers. We have a stellar editor, which is on the other side of that camera right now. And we have the software to deliver those images for you to simply download and start using. We hope to see you in your office space soon.